today's Tip Tuesday, I'm going to discuss how I replace missing scales on a skin mount. This particular one is a customer fish, so it is only one-sided. The back side has a seam, and the front side is our finished side. So I am actually going to pluck a scale off of the back and replace it in the front. And how I do that is I will actually take this little upholstery pin and I'm going to go right in behind this scale, and I'm going to kind of work it back and forth and lift that scale up. And when I do that, I can grab that scale and pop it out. And you're going to want to do that in a similar place to the one you're repairing on the other side. And then I'm going to turn the fish around. I'm going to find the area that needs to be replaced. I'm going to kind of lift these scales up around it so that this scale will slide in there. And then I'm going to just insert that scale behind those and slide it right into place. Now, most of the time that is all I have to do. If the scale seems a little bit loose, or if it's a patch of scales where you're having to replace 2 or 3 in one spot, you may put just a little dab of super glue underneath that scale before sliding it in, and then maybe even pressing something warm against that, like a soldering iron or something, just really quick to help lock that super glue in. Or you can just hold it with your finger for a little bit. But most of the time I can get by without the glue, but like I said, if it's a patch, you may have to put a little glue under it. So then I'll just finish and paint them as normal, and it will not have any missing scales on the show side. So I'm Cole with Taxidermy University. Thanks for watching.